About Stellar Phoenix Recovery for QuickBooks Registered Software. Stellar Phoenix Recovery for QuickBooks Registered Software is the best tool which has the ability to repair badly damaged or corrupted QuickBooks Registered data file without obstructing the file components. QuickBooks Registered is the widely used accounting and finance management tool. This software offers an update wizard, and with the help of you can easily keep your software updated for repair of QuickBooks Registered data files and recovery of all its data. Features of Stellar Phoenix Recovery for QuickBooks Registered Software. It supports an advanced recovery of data from the QuickBooks Registered backup file. It is compatible with QuickBooks Registered Professional, Simple Start, Premier, and Enterprise. It also provides a preview of all recoverable data present in QBW file. It recovers payroll transactions, paychecks, and also supports various currencies. It repairs QuickBooks Registered files created in multiple QuickBooks Registered versions such as 2007 to 2018. Is Stellar Phoenix Recovery for QuickBooks Registered Software is the best tool? Yes, it provides various advanced features. It has a simple and flexible recovery option. This software efficiently removes all errors. It supports and compatible with multiple versions. It also offers a search function through which you can easily search for the QBW file of QuickBooks Registered software on your system. Expert recommendation to download this software. It is endorsed by the experts to download a free version of the software that instant repair from the email. It is 100% secure and easy to use. You can also buy a paid version to get more advanced features. For more information please visit freesoftbooks.com. Thank for watching the video.